Hi everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video on how much it cost me to have 180 feet of fencing installed on my property. I used Thumbtack to get a few quotes. One came in at $5,000 and the other was $1,800 plus material. I went with that contractor because he let me buy the materials. It ended up costing me right around $3,000 to have this installed. The contractor ended up giving me a price of $1,400 for the materials. I was able to get these cheaper due to having a coupon for Home Depot. The materials are listed at the end of the video. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the quality of the fence. There were some issues with it, but overall, I think it's alright for saving $2,000 over the other contractor. And this was for 180 feet of pine 6-foot tall fencing.